Hi, let's go ahead and get started. Bring yourself forward enough on your seat that you're able to have your feet flat on the floor and your knees right over your ankles. Imagine that your bottom is glued to your chair and the crown of your head is rising up towards the ceiling, helping you to sit up in your tallest body. As you inhale, stretch your arms up towards the ceiling and exhale at the top. So imagine for a moment, press into your feet like you could touch the ceiling with your fingertips. Really stretch, 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 stretch. Take a deep breath in. And as you breathe out, make two tight fists. We're gonna roll our wrist in one direction. Good, and then roll your wrist in the other direction. And then inhale, stretch your fingertips back up. Open your mouth, we're gonna exhale the sound of an ocean wave out as your hands come down. Very good. We are going to start with a breathing exercise called Sunshine Arms Ocean Breath. Let your hands come down to the side of you. As you inhale, your arms will reach up and overhead, your palms press. Open your mouth, make the sound of an ocean wave. Very good. Let's do that 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more time. Take a deep inhale. Deep exhale. Very good. Let your hands come back down to your knees. Touch your chin to your chest. Let the back of your neck be nice and long. Take a deep breath in here. As you breathe out, let your right ear fall over to your right shoulder. Inhale, bring your head back on top of your neck. Exhale, take your left ear over to your left shoulder. Inhale, take your chin back to your chest. And exhale here. Inhale, lift your head back on top of your neck. Exhale at the top. Touch your shoulders, touch your ears. Bring your hands to the side of your body. Inhale, lift your shoulders up towards your ears. Exhale, rotate and roll your shoulders down your back. Very good. Let your breath move your body. Inhale, stretch up. And exhale, rotate and roll. 1 more time. Inhale, stretch up. And exhale, rotate and roll. Very good. Look down towards your feet. Touch your hands to the chair. And you are going to come up to stand in mountain pose. Lifting your right leg up, place it back down. Lift your left leg up and place it back down. Your legs are strong, your shoulders are nice and broad, and your crown of your head's rising towards the ceiling. Connect back to your breath. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Very good. Next, what we are going to do is we are going to do a pose called downward dog. So your choice, if you have a desk in front of you, you could use the desk. You could always turn to a wall, or you can take yourself to the back of your chair. As you come to the back of your chair, you're going to place your hands onto the chair. Looking forward towards the chair, look down to your feet, and then very slowly walk your feet away from your body. As you walk your feet away from your body, tight hamstrings, you may need to bend your knees, more of a stretch, straighter legs. Your ears come parallel to your arms. You're looking towards your belly and you're breathing. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out, deep breath in, deep breath out. Very good. Look up towards your chair, bend your knees a lot, and slowly walk yourself to the back of your chair. Coming back to mountain pose, take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Very good. Coming back to the front of our chair. Coming back to a seat. Once you're seated, make sure your knees are over your ankles. You're sitting up tall in your body. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, you are going to take your left hand to your right knee and your right hand to the chair behind you. Inhale, sit up tall. Exhale, twist and look over your shoulder. Inhale, come back to center, stretch your arms up. Exhale, take your right hand to your left knee and your left hand to the chair behind you. Inhale, sit up tall. Exhale, twist and look over your shoulder. Inhale, come back to center. Stretch both of your arms up. Bring your hands back to your knees, completing with our rainbow breath. As you breathe in, your shoulder blades Draw together, your gaze goes up, take the eyes up. As you exhale, chin to chest, round your spine. Again, inhale, sit up tall, draw your shoulder blades together. And exhale, round your spine. Very good. Inhale, sitting back up tall. Let's complete with the sunshine arms, ocean breath. Inhale, arms up and overhead. Open your mouth, nice deep audible exhale. Thank you for class today.